Hello. After you've successfully created your organization within Billcont, we recommend you to spend several minutes and check or adjust your organization configuration. Please click on your name in the top right corner. In the menu, please click on the My Organization item. My Organization page contains information about your organization, invoice and timesheet configuration, tax groups, and payment methods. Also, you can see information about your current subscription plan, add-ons, and limits which are currently active. Your completed orders and information about users of your organization are available here as well. If you just created your organization, the information available on the main information section is exactly what you've entered when you were creating the organization. There is one field, Account Manager Security, which is set by default and which you may need to change in the section. If Account Manager Security is checked, the information on a client can be changed only by a person who is indicated as an account manager for this client. Also, only the account manager will be able to issue invoices to that client. To make changes in the section, or any other section on this page, you can click on the Update icon on the top. Make your changes, and click Update. On the Invoice Configuration section, in addition to those fields which were already populated, you can enter invoice default description. This is useful if you want to add the same description to any invoice generated within Billcont. Next, you can choose how your invoices will look like. Click on the Update button on the top of the Invoice Template section. On the bottom, you can see templates which you can pick for your invoices. Just click on a template to choose it, and click on the Save button on the top. After that, you can click on the Preview button to see how your invoice may look like. For any template you pick, you can load your organization logo and change colors. To load a logo, just click on the logo area on the left and load the file. Now you can click on the Preview button and see how your invoice will look with the logo. Also, you can change colors within the template. Just click on the color field and pick a color you like. After that, please click on the Save button and Preview. If you want to come back to the original template colors, please click on the Reset Color button next to the color field. If you've finished the template configuration, please click on the My Organization on the top. Next, you can change how your timesheets will be approved. By default, the timesheet auto approval is on. It means that whenever you log your time, it will be automatically approved and ready for the invoicing. If you are the only user of your organization, you don't need to change this flag. However, if your organization has multiple users, and you need to control what hours were entered, you can uncheck the timesheet auto approval flag. In this case, all timesheets have to be approved before their time entries will be available for the invoicing. Next, you may add tax groups. Anytime when you configure a client, project, task, service, enter a deliverable or expense, you need to indicate a tax group. Tax group is a set of sales taxes that are applied on any billable transaction within Billcont. As you can see, by default the only tax group, no tax, is created. Here you may create as many tax groups as you need. To create a new tax group, please click on the Add Tax Group button. Enter a tax group name first. Let's consider one example. Your office and office of your client are located in a state which has a sales tax equals 4%. Also, the county rate is 1%, plus there is a city tax 3%. Default flag means that this tax group will be on the top of the list when you configure your client, project, task, etc. Please understand that Billcont doesn't know about taxes which should be applied. You are fully responsible for the tax group's configurations here. After the information has been entered, please click on the Create button. Please be informed that Billcont applies specific tax group on transactions at the moment they are entered, and not at the moment of the invoice generation. This is why it is important to configure the tax groups before you start creating transactions like time entries, deliverables, expenses, etc. In the Payment Methods section, you can configure a PayPal method if you want to get paid for your invoices via PayPal with the help of the Billcont functionality. Whenever you send an invoice to a client by email via Billcont, the additional link is added to the email. By clicking on this link, your client can join Billcont to see invoices you issued to this client. If you configure a PayPal as payment method, your client, who joined Billcont, will be able to pay for invoices using the Billcont functionality. The instruction, how to configure the PayPal payment method, is available if you click on the link here. Also on the My Organization page, you can upgrade your current subscription plan. To do this, just click on the Upgrade Plan button and follow the instructions. Once you upgrade your plan and pay for the order, it appears in the list of completed orders. If your subscription plan allows multiple users, you can invite more users by clicking on the Invite Users button and enter emails. The invites will be sent to those emails. Once a user is registered with Billcont, you as organization administrator will get a notification. After that, you'll need to approve the user here. Now you know what first steps we recommend you to do before you start using Billcont. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to learning more about the Billcont functionality? Check out our how-to videos.